Okay, welcome to the next video. Before we start, like and subscribe. But I'm not going to have to say this is a fail because I'm going to have to stop this washing out. I don't know if you saw in the previous video I put some slippers in the main wash. But I'm going to stop it here because I've just watched it go in and I think they've fallen apart. So is this going to be an epic failure video or what? First challenge of the day, well, first challenge on this bloody channel, so we'll just have to find out. I'd love to see. It should let me unlock this. But I'll still have to let the cycle run once I've got them out because I'll have to go through its normal wash, but gobshy. But never mind. Like and subscribe while we wait. Yeah, subscribe to the channel while we wait for this to click. It only takes a second. Find that subscribe button quickly. I'll be here for a good minute or two now, waiting. So subscribe. Come on. This is an epic failure. First failure on the channel. This is me trying to be bloody clever, and it's backfired. Does it let me unlock it? And it can do. I know on the hot point it does. Yes! Look. Look at that. That's one out, that's my slippers falling apart. That's the one. I'm gonna have to get a bloody towel. Just bear with me, this is a challenge. Today I'm gonna have to put these on. I'm back. First time I've stopped a cycle in a washer. You can tell. Okay. You can tell. Don't know if you can see on camera. Soles come out. One of the worst ideas this ever. I'll leave the tail in because that's gonna have to finish its wash. First time me doing this on a bloody video. Second one gone. Look at that. That's another sole. What an absolute gobshite. Whatever you do never wash slippers in a bloody washing machine. I'm gonna have to let this finish its cycle off. I'll buzz these. Never be doing that again. I've learnt my lesson trying to save myself a bit of money and it's backfired. But never mind. Washing machine challenge failure. Try again. Press start. I'll have to let it run its course because it's gonna need to cool down. Right, epic failure for video. I can't wait to see how this video's turned out.